Sakto, alis na ako bukas. Huy! Hindi, joke lang. Where's my book? Where's my book? Where's my book? My book? My book? No. Alam ko, I put it somewhere. Nawala. Wadana. Bakit alam niyo kung paano ako magsabi ng wadana? Bakit mo alam kung ba't ganyan ako? Kawa. Nasaan na yung book of life ko? Asan na yun? Paano kung mag-aano? Hindi pwedeng mawala yun. Asan na yun? No! Sa drawer. Too soft. Asan na yun? Madonna? Asan na yun? Yan. Bed. Hindi pwedeng hayaan. Ay, asan na yun? Baka ni kuha ng white lady. Tinabi mo na naman yung gamit ko! Ilabas mo na yung gamit ko na yun. Importante yun. Kung hindi mo nilabas yun, sinasabi ko sa'yo, kutusan kita. Nasaan na yung gamit ko? Hawak ko lang yan kanina. Ako lang ba yung ganun? Yung tipong hawak-hawak mo naman kanina tas biglang nawada. Ba't nawawada? Tapos mamaya mandyan. Ay, alam ko na. Ay, hindi. Kasi... naalala ko na. Kasi kanina, nung sinusulat namin yung kanta, doon ko kinuha yung inspirasyon ko habang sinusulat. Kaya nandito sa kabilang kwarto. Kasi habang sinusulat namin yan, binabasa ko lahat pangalan niyo. Hey, gotcha! Kaso wag ka pumasok dyan! narinig kita. Rinig ko siya, be. Kasi kaya niyang, pag hindi nakasaksak ng ganun yung pinto, kaya niyang itulak. So, tinutulak niya dun sa loob. Tapos, pag tinulak niya sa loob, hindi na siya nakakalabas. Ayan. Sakto yung kanta. Sorry, I really had a stressful month. Yay! May shark! May shark daw? Hala, sorry, hindi ko nakita. May whale! Hindi ko nakita. Ate Eds, thank you po! Laway ko. Ate Eds, hindi ko nakita yung shark, yung whale, yung dolphin. Sorry, Ate Eds, hindi ko nakita yung whale. Zoe. Si Kuya Renzi nandyan din. Thank you, Kuya Renzi. Zoe. Salamat. Sorry. At hindi ko ika'y mawawala. Ang puso mong mahulog sa'kin. Ate Eds, hindi nakita. Thank you po. Uy, maraming salamat. Uy, grabe naman ang Ate Eds naman. Thank you po. Thank you. Salamat, Ate Eds. At hindi ko alam mo yung susunod na kanta natin, wala na akong pakialam kung dead man ako kung mag-trend siya o hindi. I just wanna produce it. I just want to release it. Yun lang yung gusto kong mangyari. Gusto ko lang siyang ma-release. That's all. Yun lang yung gusto kong mangyari dun sa kanta na yun. Ma-release ko lang siya, masaya na ako. Ayan, thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. Ang dami na nito. Hi kay Marlo, kay Clarice from Team Love. Buhay pa ba yung Team Love? Hi! Provincianong Vlog. Hi. Alvin, kay Joe Edit, Defender Lady. Kay Elberis. Hi Elberis. Thank you, Zap. Maraming salamat. Vanji, Melody Edits, Mary Chris. It's me, Del. Zizi from Team Restricted. Marichu. Cha, check-in, Ate Mayi, Ate Mayu, Team Paraos, Brixis Warriors, Martinez Banks, Team Editor, Team Brixian Official, Fort Leaf Clover, Team White, Team Search, Hershey, Team OFW, Team Dynamic, Team Chismoso, Brixian Nurses, Team Alvaro, Team Tutoy. Hi Renzi, thank you so much Renzi, hi kay Zep. Thank you po. Kay Team Lucky Fam, tapos may pinagdadaanan ata si Engineer Norms ngayon. Hope you're okay. Hope you're fine. Hi Team Silent Viewers, Team Ante, TV Love, Team Solid Bricks. Ayan, yes, buhay na buhay pa. Hi kay Eagle, I thank you so much. Silent Supporters, Bricks Armors, Bricks Defenders, Brixian Defenders, Allen V, The Team Harurut Always Present, Team Sip, Team Editor, Team OA, Locondi Baby, Spats Angels. Hi Sir Renzi, thank you so much kay Eagle Eye. Brix's Siblings Montes Editor Joms XX_07 Nicoverse MJ Cabrera L Editor Sammy K. Briones Team Ayobo Editor Carl Dims Honey-Mazing Sabi Haven Mimi Editor Kiruwitan Carl Introvert Director Atobi L Asmir Edits Tropa Premium Queen Padme Yabi Burn na magandang kasambahay 2.0 Joy Prem CJ Laughter Hello Hi Sir J-Lat, Brixian Defender, Nick Snika, Brian Mendoza, Dalab, Brittany on IG, Daryl Hazel, Team Beltap, Adobo Warriors, IDCLR, Team Suyuan, Team Raulo, Team Ayobo Babies, Team Megan, Team Gian, Rao Loyals. Hi Bojoy. Team Kinim Pirhes, John Dale, Rafus, Tony G. Brian, Chabi, Cha, Sanji, Ashiring, Stroy, Babies, Team Ayo Avocado, Team Avocado, Jinho, Babies, Friction Library, Play, Clea, Team Restricted, Team Jeff Pat, Team Morocado, Team Kalawang. Team Nicolas, Team Clojans, YML, Mixal, Mixay, Team Sai, Team Toxic Pat, Univriction, Team Solid Friction, Team Christian Stan, Brictionatics, Team Loki, Brixie Siblings, Team Chubby Chicks, Brixion Hong Kong Era, Team Brictions, Brixie Siblings, Brixion Beast, Team Surge. I love you too. Hi Sen, hi Lin. Thank you po. Team Adobo, Team Dilaw, Team Bumbaya, Team OFW, Team Ali Au Au. Team Ali Au Au, Team Adobo Warriors, Team Kazui, Team Kazo, Team Tap Tap, Team Love, Team Lapok. Ayan, kay Raisa. Team Pearly Shells, Team Benjen, Benis, Team Ben Connects, Team Ben Pars. Hi Kayla, hi Maui. Team Solid, Team Quadro, Team Private Property, Team Anemic, Team Ripley, Team Pinkish, Team Agaray, Team Hyper, Team Laglag, Team Tap Tap, Team Ayobo, Team Amo, Team Bricks, Team Bopis, Tropa ni Bricks, Team Hyper, Team Bahay, Team Galibugan, Team Green Minded, Chinese Siblings, Team Quadro, Team LDR, Team B, Team BC, Team C, Marky Cheng, Brixian Replay, Yuki, Chow, Shuffles, Gian, Sabi, Master Nate, Raymart, Sebiana, Brian, Christy, Ma'am Chubi, Justin, Aiko, Ellison, Cherry, Loki, Fam. Cheng, Shippers Unite, Eloise, Pepero, Sir Jaylat, Zeyo, Jessa, Brixian Bay, Honey, Jen, Storage Full, JD, DB, Desi, Gabriel, Perens, K, Jamela, Jela, Engineer Deal, Christopher, Kay Briones, Mai, Obeburna, Team Brianna, Micaela Ren, si Kristen Joy, Earl, Jong, Levi, Ace, Rachel, Mitch, Riza, Arvin, Team Benchan, Jen Rix, Jen Chan, Tropa ni Chani, Nina Bix, Gabriel Peren, Brixian by CLR, Brixian by Bear, Mon Amor, Yuki Bianca Montes, Yuki Silent Editor, Honey Bea, Adi Yobi, Asmer Edis, Honey Pie, Arvin Ladlad, BJ, Siren, Brixian, Someone. Buong team pataba tsaka sa buong Verdagulan. Yay! Tada! Diba naubos? Ganyan yan sila eh. Thank you so much po. Guys, sa mga edits nyo, itag nyo kasi ko para nakikita ko, para malalagay ko dito. Ayan. Hi kay Aseru. Ayan, thank you po. Thank you kay Yuki, kay Chuti. Thank you po, maraming salamat. I love you all guys. Thank you kay MJ. Ayan. Uy, maraming salamat sa mga nagsusupport sa atin ha. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Ay, by the way, sa lahat po nang hindi nagustuhan yung ugali ko for today, I apologize. No worries, just tell me and I'll do it better. I'll do better next time. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng OFW na nanood tonight. I really hope kahit konti, medyo naging masaya kayo. I really hope na nakangiti ikaw. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Tapos sana maging successful yung event bukas. Yan, I love you all. Bye-bye. Bye-bye po.